Micheal Rosen, fridge.
Yeah.
Nice. It's tea time and we're sitting at the fridge. We sit down to eat and the telly a bit hot. So I only put a little bit on my fork and I blow.
Gay!
My dad, what does he do? He stuffs a great big telly into his mouth and then that... Nice. He bobs his head up and down. Up and down. Nice.
When I was a boy, I had a favourite treat. It was when my mum made...
Fridge.
Oh, I love
Fridge.
My mum, she says to me, listen, Michael, if there's any
Fridge.
left over at the end of the day, you can take some to
The Skyfoogle.
Accurate name!
tomorrow to have at playtime, or have at playtime, have at playtime, have at playtime.
Have a playtime.
And I'd get to school, and it would be playtime or lunchtime, and I'd open up the
Fridge.
take it out. What's it? You got a chocolate cake. Open up the paper. Look at it. Oh, I love this one. I woke up and I thought,
Fridge.
careful not to tread on the creaky floorboard outside Mum and Dad's bedroom, because if they wake up and find me, I'll be in big trouble, so really quiet. Are they still asleep? Yeah! Yes. Okay. Open the cupboard and yeah, there it is! Gonna take it out. Just have a little look at it.
Nice.
And then I noticed,
The Skyfoogle. Though I have to say it was as dark as...
Pesky!